Well, ladies and gentlemen, we get to do a sunroof. This is your boy Anthony. Right here, right now, we're gonna be talking about a sunroof. What? They stopped making sunroofs this year because pandemic, probably not, probably because of a lot of things. Anyways, they stopped making sunroofs due to the fact is they went into a completely different business. So sunroof manufacturer went into defrosters for like big vehicles and homes. So they went in a completely different area, which I think they actually always were into that anyways. So I think they just completely kicked the sunroofs out of the way and they're doing that. So watch as Cocho does this job. He's gonna take care of it. Dang, this is the Chevy we're gonna be doing. The single cab with some factory rep wheels. See that? And this one here is a regular work truck, man. But well, I guess it is what it is. You ready to do this, Cocho?
Yep. Ya sabes que soy chingón, güey.
Yo sé. The people know.
Oh, the people know?
Look at the tableto. We're gonna watch Cocho take stuff apart. We got the whole thing out. If you ever never seen the inside of the truck, that's what it looks like. Check it out. That's the roof. The inside. Yeah. The top. That's what the top looks like before we cut. And then we're going to show you what it looks like when we cut. I think right now he's talking about how it's going to look on the inside.
Lo corté, déjalo sobrado aquí. Sí. Este lo vamos a cortar aquí así. Que quede poquita carne aquí.
¿Qué tanto?
Un cuartito que tenga. Lleva esto. Esto no hay que eliminarlo. Posiblemente lo vayamos a poner de esto aquí. Razón es que nos ha pasado que cuando lo ponemos, cuando ya no están estos soportes, esto se nos mete poquito de más.
This is what comes in the sunroof. This is the sunroof right here. It's retired, discontinued. So see, it has a motor, has the sunshade. It's kind of like protects you from the sun. The buttons and the switches. The glass. It is. Alright, so now we're gonna see what they're doing next. I think you guys saw him cut the bottom frame so he can have room to fit the motors on the thing.
Tengo miedo.
So he knows what he's doing.
Yeah. Said your voice is mine. Oh yeah. Said your voice is mine. My favorite. And your voice is my favorite sound. Yeah. I can hear you breathing when I put it down. Yeah. Crazy how last weekend turned into a fling. No, all I want is your audition. Can you sing for me? I want melody to take me home. Please don't wait too long. Yeah, wanna hear you sing, wanna make you moan. Melody, please take me home. Please don't wait too long. Yeah, wanna hear you sing, wanna make you moan. Yeah, bad little broad from the valley, that's my turf. She asks how I balance everything. I said I know my worth. She like, can I get a verse? I said, guess that all depends. Yeah, do you got some friends from my friends? Yeah. Girl, I'm playing. Hot damn, how you look in the mirror like that? Baby, wanna get in my bed. I ain't gonna rap when I hear you wanna trap my back. I'm ready to get it if you're ready to get it down. Swear to God, gonna hit like Larry Holmes. I'm in the booth.
Alright, so now they already got the glue set. The other side looks good. Woo, looks good. Alright, cool, man. Let's go check on the actual sunroof. Wow, Cochio. You need to put all the cables down, huh? Looks cool. They remounted the brackets. Alright.
Wanna hear you sing, Wanna make you moan. Melody, please take me home. Please don't wait too long. Wanna hear you sing.
Alrighty, I'm gonna show you guys this beautiful troca that we finished the sunroof, and check it out. What do you guys think? Yeah, let me open it. What you guys think? We did the black suede interior. So you gotta hold these buttons up here and it opens up. Hold this button, it opens up. And that's what it looks like when it's all the way up. I like it. So this came out good. Cocho did a really good job. I like it. Came out clean. It's a black suede. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna send it back to Anthony so he can give you guys their goodbyes. All right, you beautiful people. I hope you enjoyed that video. That's a sunroof, man. Ain't no more sunroofs. Plus, I'm gonna give you this quick 1 minute video of a Lightning that came in. It was pretty cool. It's my boy. He actually has a shop down the street from me. ATW. That's his Lightning. It's pretty dope, man. I give him props. That thing is super fast. But anyways, enjoy. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I always appreciate it. You guys are valued #1. Thanks, people.